learn the structure and the way of building a paragraph. So today we are going to talk about problem solution paragraph. Dear students, if you master this unit of an essay, it is likelihood that you will be able to write a good essay also, because every paragraph that you develop contributes to your essay. So this is very much primary that we learn paragraphing also. So expository or problem paragraph, it has certain features, or it has certain structures. First one is topic sentence, then introductory details, and after that come body of the paragraph, and then concluding part. So it has 4 parts generally. Topic sentence, we first define it. Topic sentence contains a topic and a controlling idea. Now, what is a controlling idea and what is topic, you can see and learn in my another lecture, that is on topic, writing a topic sentence, or best techniques for writing a good topic sentence. But here I would like to speak a little about controlling idea. Controlling idea is an aspect of any topic that we are going to speak about in certain paragraph. So a single paragraph or one paragraph deals with one idea, one perspective. So multiple paragraphs speak about multiple aspects of any topic. So but one paragraph deals with one paragraph, therefore we have a controlling idea that defines what aspect of any topic we are going to speak about. And after that is introductory details. Introductory details are a little expansion or kind of expansion on your topic sentence. At times topic sentence needs further explanation, further elaboration to understand what it is, what is the relationship between a problem and the effect of that problem. So that is introductory part. It could be of 2 or 3 sentences at the most. Then we move towards next part, which is larger part of a paragraph, and that is body of the paragraph. Body of the paragraph is more than you can say 60% of your passage, your paragraph, and it speaks about the expansion, explanation. It gives detailed debate on the topic, and that debate is then supported by evidences, quotations, paraphrases, statistical data, and many other things. So that anything that contributes to justification of whatever you say. And then comes the last part of a paragraph, and that is called concluding part. Concluding part is a summing up of your whole topic, whole debate that you have carried out throughout your paragraph. So concluding part again leads back to your topic sentence, because this is in a way summing up of conclusion, or you see giving the whole debate in a general way in one single sentence. The way your topic sentence is gives you an overall picture, overall situation of any issue. So your top concluding sentence just like that gives an overall general picture of the whole debate, and it sums up. That should relate back to your topic sentence. If it doesn't, it means your paragraph is not concluded well. Next we move towards further certain aspects. An expository or problem paragraph, it tells us certain things. It has a certain things that it exposits. What it exposits, we need to know here. It explains the topic that is under discussion. Any problem that we are talking about, there would be detailed discussion and on that problem, that issue, that crisis, and it educates, informs the reader. It tells the reader as if it means reader is your layman. He doesn't know about the thing. You are going to explain an issue. It can be like economy of Pakistan. That would be matter of interest for most of the Pakistanis, but they do not understand what are the issues with Pakistani economy. If you explain that, if you come up with data, with examples, with information, and you tell people that what is the issue of Pakistan economy, that would be educating them. So there would be problem to Pakistan's economy, that you expand on those problems, which problems Pakistan economy faces. Third aspect of a problem or expository essay is it reflects your understanding of the topic. Mean a writer knows to what depth or to what extent it speaks of that also. Mean your expertise, your knowledge, your research reflects from your essay or your paragraph, whatever the case you write for your readers. Another thing that is very much particular to any expository paragraph or essay, or you may call it problem paragraph or cause and effect paragraph, or you may call it a process paragraph. All these are forms of expository paragraph. There would be comparison and contrast paragraph, that is also part of expository paragraph. So there are four essential elements to that. One is unity, the other one is order, the next one is coherence, and the last one is completeness. Let us speak about these one by one. Unity. Unity is that a topic sentence provides you a unity for the whole paragraph. Unity means you are going to speak about one aspect, one idea, one controlling idea, one thing in the whole paragraph. You expand on that, you come up with examples for that, data, researches, examples, everything that pertains to only one topic, one aspect. That is called unity of the paragraph. If you come up with multiple aspects or multiple things, it means you deviate from the fundamental one. Then there is no unity. Then there is plurality. It would be speaking about many things but leading to nothing, no conclusion. And then order in a paragraph mean things should be in certain sequence. There is a logical sequence of everything that we speak, so that sequencing the information in a paragraph is called order of the paragraph. Then we speak of coherence. Coherence is, you see, connectivity between or among sentences of a paragraph. Your paragraph should give a sense of wholeness. That wholeness comes through coherence. If we use transitional expressions, we use connectors, we use cohesive devices, these all elements, they lend kind of association, a link to sentences, and they all are linked into chained into one a longer chain that gives us a sense of unity, sense of understanding on that topic. So coherence is very much important. If our sentences do not support one another, if they do not lead from one sentence to the other, if they do not back up one another, then coherence is missing. So coherence is very much important, that lends connectivity to our writing, and through coherence we develop the argument, we develop the idea. Otherwise there is no development in our writing. The fourth point about paragraph is, or problem paragraph or expository paragraph, is completeness. Your paragraph, as we spoke in the previous slide, that it should contain a topic sentence, it should contain supporting details, it should have expansion, explanation, it should have conclusion. If anything misses, then your paragraph is not complete. Like if there is no topic sentence, then your paragraph is not complete. If it misses the data, the research, then it is not complete. If it misses the concluding part, then your paragraph is not complete. Mean all four elements, if they are there in your paragraph, then we call it is a complete one. Situation is background. Mean this is introduction to the problem. Every problem has a background. That background of the problem or that is called situation. Then you describe the paragraph. You present what is the real issue, what is its nature, what is its scope, what is its seriousness. All these things are described in description part. Then be of regional level, it might be a local issue, it might be of global significance. Whatever the scope of it, we tell it in the description part, and that very scope of seriousness and size of problem calls for the solution. Then we come up with solution way forward, that there should be some investigation on that, and our solutions to that, they should be based on the nature of the problem, and whatever the nature of the problem, then we will be dealing accordingly. That is very much important and very much necessary. If we do not come up with solution, or if we do not describe the problem in an appropriate way, then we cannot come to solutions. If we cannot come to solutions, we cannot call for action. You see, then the last point is evaluation. Evaluation means you state that what sort of action it demands. Otherwise, what would be the implication? What would be the further seriousness of issue? Like these days, Palestine issue is going on. Suppose if you are speaking about the crisis of Palestine, first you will speak about the situation of the problem, its background, when it started, its a historical background. Then you will describe what is the current situation of this problem. Then is it really a human problem? Is it really a problem of two states? Is it really problem of two nations? Is it really problem of genocide? Is it indeed a problem that should attract the world attention? Yes. If you describe it well, then you can call, then there should be solution to that. When there is you present a solution, that what sort of solution, there should be two state solution, or it is a country for the Palestinian, that they should decide to live over there. Whatever your solution, you then call for evaluate in the sense, if it is not resolved, then what further issues, further crisis, how it would lead to further deterioration of situation. Here you call for the action to the global community, that they should come up with certain effective measures. This is call for action. That is always very much important and necessary for a problem paragraph. If you do not come up with evaluation and call for action, it means still your paragraph is lacking, it is not coming, or it doesn't fall on the format of standard problem paragraph. Then there are certain keywords we use in a problem paragraph. Words can be like the festering case, situation, issue, dilemma, issue, problem, quandary, difficulty, predicament, cause, root cause, delinquency, possibility, resolution, remedy, possible way out, solution. So you way forward, you come up with such words that are used for problem paragraph, problem essay, because they speak about the problem of issue. So for every type of paragraph, for every type of argument, for every type of essay, there are certain keywords that we need to understand and master to use them effectively. Here is a problem paragraph before you, and I have you see colored it in 3 colors. Here it is with red color. Out of school children is a simmering wound of Pakistani society. You say it a topic sentence. So out of school children is really a crisis or issue for Pakistani society. You then give further expansion it. Hundreds and thousands of children are not only deprived of education, but also the normal joyous experiences of childhood. Now you further go for the details. While upper middle class boys and girls attend school, out of school children work in area tea shops or small factories. They work as servants in middle class and upper class households. You are describing the problem. Moreover, these out of school children can be seen, besides being forced to do child labor, begging in the streets, markets and road signals in the urban centers. The dilemma becomes more serious when their parents, being poor, send them to work or beg, and the state too seems giving cold shoulders and letting their innocence and hidden talents rot. Now, the possible remedy solution. The possible remedy lies in the fact that The government should implement the strict laws to this effect. Along with the law, the government should introduce some economic reforms to bring down the poverty line to some extent. Apart from this, to solve this problem, government should sincerely initiate a national drive against illiteracy besides mere for controlling the current birth rate. If now this is call for action. If required measures are not taken immediately, the situation will go further worse. You are evaluating the issue here now. Worse, as these out of school children will become a more serious festering issue. You have talked about festering issue in the beginning, simmering issue. So here you again refer to that. There is a likelihood of increase in social crimes, terror activities and social disintegration. Pakistan, already being a poor country, cannot afford such grim situation that could mar its potential to become a developed and welfare state dreamed of by our forefathers. The increasing number of students not attending schools indeed calls for an immediate but comprehensive policy program. So here is call for action also. So in this way we build a paragraph that I have given you an example of. Thank you very much for watching the video. Keep following my lectures, videos. I will be coming up more and more useful videos for you. Thank you very much.